Welcome. This is not Delaware Cadillac, but welcome to Kingpin Bowling Lanes. I'm Harry Boyer, and I'm here with the lovely Brian Schoeffel, and we are here to celebrate Father's Day.
And I would like to wish Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there today.
And rightfully so, Mr. Schoeffel and I are going to take the day off, and we're going to do some bowling, and we'll leave Kaitlyn in the showroom, and she'll do all the work today.
Let's do it.
All right, let's get the bowling. Not bad.
Guys, where's Harry?
We don't know.
I'll call him then. Where the heck is he?
Hello?
Hey, Harry, where are you?
I'm bowling.
Wait, you're what?
Bowling?
You're bowling.
Yeah, bowling.
Oh. Okay. All right then.
All right, talk to you later.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
All right, bye.
All right. Bye.
Kaitlyn called me looking for me.
She did really.
Well, I forgot to tell her we were bowling. Yeah.
What do you mean you're bowling?
Yes, we're bowling.
What do you mean? We have a show to do. What are you talking about?
No, I know. It's the Father's Day show.
Right?
Listen, it's fine.
Okay.
You'll do great. You're going to do a good job. You'll be able to do the show on your own. I mean, you got your happy Easter birthday brunch.
Harry, no. Wait, what about all the offers? The opportunities?
They're in the cars.
What about the leases?
You'll do fine. They're in the cars.
I don't know. What
You'll
about
do
all
great.
this stuff?
It's Father's Day. Oh, speaking of Father's Day, your dad's here. Do you want to say hi to him? Maybe wish him a
My
happy
dad?
Father's Day? Yeah. Hold on.
My dad?
I'll put you on
Stop
speaker.
it.
Here he is.
Stop.
Hey, honey, how are you? What's up, hon?
Stop, what are you doing?
Harry and I are just spending the day together bowling.
Stop it, no, you guys are not seriously bowling together.
Yeah, we're bowling.
Oh my God, too much, I can't. Oh my goodness, you guys, you're just gonna leave me high and dry with the show? At least you had time to prepare when you did my birthday brunch.
Kaitlyn, you know what I was thinking? I just think you'll do a wonderful job doing this show by yourself.
Gee, thanks, Dad.
See, your dad has confidence. And it's my turn.
Oh,
I gotta
you're up
bowl.
next. Okay.
So
All
I'm
right.
gonna go.
Have fun, good luck, and happy Father's Day, guys. But honestly, I'm the one that's gonna need the luck.
Say it again, your dad can
I
hear.
said, all right, have fun, happy Father's Day, you guys. But I think that I'm going to need all the luck for this show.
All right, do a great job. Make your dad proud.
Make me proud.
I'll do my best. Oh my gosh, you guys are too much.
All right, talk to you soon. All right, bye.
That was good.
I'm up.
I like that. Go ahead, Harry.
All that, and I got the gutter.
All right, let's get this show started. Now, Harry said he left me everything in the car, so... And he was right. Here we go. All right, we've got this. So here we have a 2024 XT5 Premium Luxury Collection that lists for $53,215. And you will save $1,000 in down payment assistance. $750 you'll save in bonus cash. And you're going to save $3,250 in Cadillac lease loyalty, which still don't have an answer for that one yet, but we're working on it. And you are going to buy it for $48,215, or you can lease it for doesn't say.
Yes?
Harry, there's no lease for the XT5.
Not good.
Almost.
Not good.
Did you check the glove box?
The glove box?
Yeah, check the glove box.
All right, hold on. No, it's not in there.
Okay, all right. $3,616 due at signing, and it's $479 a month, and that includes the Cadillac lease loyalty rebate. Do you have a dance for that yet?
No, I'm still working on the dance. Sorry. Yeah, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing
All
yet.
right, still working on the dance. And it's a lease, so we...
Pay your first 4 lease payments.
Okay, can I go now?
You're up, Harry.
You gotta go again?
What? Yeah, no, we're bowling. I'm supposed to have the day off.
Do you know how many times you interrupted me on my birthday show?
Not that many. And this is Father's Day, so...
All right.
All right, can I go? Okay.
Have fun
All
with
right.
my dad.
Hey, yes. Keep up the good work. All right.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
And so we're on to the next car. Harry said that all I need is inside the car, so, and he was right. It's right here. All right, so we have a brand new 2024 XT6 Premium Luxury Collection in all-wheel drive. And this beautiful color is called Emerald Lake Metallic. And that's not even written on my paper. This vehicle comes with driver assist, the technology package, navigation, and more. And it lists for $63,985. But guess what? Here at Delaware Cadillac, you're going to save $5,000. That's $1,000 in down payment assistance, $750 in bonus cash, and more than that, $3,250 in Cadillac lease loyalty. Still working on that dance. Anyway, you will be buying it for $58,985. And you can lease this beautiful vehicle for I don't know. Why does he keep forgetting the leases on me? Let's call him back.
Hi, it's Harry.
Seriously?
Right now.
Okay, he just ignored me. All right, well, guess what? We're gonna call you right back.
So she was totally surprised.
Yeah, no, I love that she was authentically surprised. She's like, that's the first
She
time
really
my
didn't think
dad
I was here.
No.
Hi, it's Harry. I can't get the phone right now. Please leave a message and I'll call you back. Thanks.
That's great.
At the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Harry, you still
Hey,
got it.
it's me. You didn't leave me a lease for the XT6.
I can't believe it.
And yeah, so I would really appreciate it. Could you please call me back? It's Kaitlyn at Delaware Cadillac during the Father's Day show where you're bowling with my dad. Please call me back because I don't know what it is. You know what? I'll look in the glove box because maybe you put it in there. All right. Anyway, need that lease. Thanks. Bye. Let's see if it's in here. Ugh. Aha! You can lease this vehicle for $4,616 due at signing when you qualify for the Cadillac lease loyalty and bringing your monthly payment to $589 a month for 24 months. And guess what? It's Delaware Cadillac, so we are going to pay your first 4 lease payments. It's a 2021 Cadillac XT4 in garnet metallic, a premium luxury collection all-wheel drive, and it's a certified pre-owned Cadillac. Don't forget the dun-da-da. Oh. Dun-da-da-da. There we go. And that means it's not only the balance of 4 years and 50,000 miles, bumper-to-bumper warranty, but you get an additional year and unlimited miles. Next page. And it only has 5,000 miles. What? You can buy this vehicle for just $32,982.
Almost.
That was good, man. I really did.
Well, it looks like I'm locked out. No big deal. Here we have a brand new 2024 CT5V Blackwing. It is 668 horsepower and 659 foot-pounds of torque. This beautiful vehicle sells for $132,395, and it has carbon fiber and a sunroof and some red seatbelts.
Hey,
Hey, so I take it you're not making it back for the rest of the show then, huh?
yeah, no, I'm sorry. Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Yeah, happy Father's Day.
Just take
Exit 7.
and come, well, go to Cadillac Heaven. Don't worry, I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be back to work tomorrow.
Oh, good. Well, I hope you enjoyed your Father's Day.
Hey, hold on, your dad's here.
Hey, babe.
Hey, happy Father's Day. I love you.
Happy Father's Day to you. Thank you, sweetheart. Having a blast.
All right.
All right, honey. I love you.
Love ya.
Talk to you. Finish out the show strong.
All right. Bye, guys.
All right. Bye-bye. All right, back to bowling.
We have a all-new 2024 LYRIQ Luxury Collection all-wheel drive in opulent blue with a sky cool gray interior. This vehicle lists for $67,495, and if you qualify for the tax credit, we can apply the $7,500 to the price of it for you. And you can buy it for $59,995. Wow! And it actually says wow on there. He wrote wow. You can lease this vehicle for $2,616 due at signing, bringing your monthly lease payment to $599 a month for only 24 months. It's amazing. Let me see. Is there anything else on here? Oh, and it's Delaware Cadillac, so we're going to pay your first 4 lease payments. I think that covers it. We did it, you guys. Congratulations. Thanks for coming along this trip with me. And happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. A special happy Father's Day to the best father, which is my dad. And I hope you guys had a really fun time bowling. Like, subscribe, comment, and follow us on social media. And come visit Delaware Cadillac.
All right, last frame. Let's go. Bang! All right. That was strong. Happy Father's Day.